Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPA Coder. If you are new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today we are going to see how to send a specific range which contains a data as well as a chart in Excel sheet, and we are going to paste that in the created email in Outlook and paste that in the email body. So this is what we are going to see. So for example, I am trying to achieve this over here, which is the email which has the workbook attachment, the entire email which contains two CC and BCC subject, and then it has also been marked as high importance. Plus, I want to paste all the data in the email body, including the chart and the data for the data or data table. So over here this is the range. So let's create a table, the data table, as well as we will see how we can paste all these things into one email and send it by using VBA Excel. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. So now I have assigned a macro button. If I click this, then automatically I will be able to see all these contents inside my email body. Now before that, let's create a table here. Let's copy paste this and create a table in Excel. Now I have my tables as well, the table and a range and a chart. Now I'm going to put this in my email body and keep my email ready to send using VBA Excel. Now I'll show you one more time by clicking this so that we can understand what we are trying to do. As you see that my table is also appearing inside my email body. Now we are going to see what all codes has to be written to create this amazing email automation using VBX. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is the VBA editor, and we have the sub procedure in which we have written our entire code to achieve what we have seen earlier. So this entire code will help us to copy and paste the entire email and also the entire data from Excel to email body. So let's see what all codes we have to write to achieve this. First, what we are going to do is, if you don't have the Outlook as well as the Word document references enabled in your VBA editor, then please do go ahead and enable that first and then use this code. So first what we are going to do is we are going to define some variables and set those variables for achieving our goal. So first what we are going to do is we are going to type dim Outlook app as outlook.application, and then so we are going to refer the application over here, and then we are going to type dim Outlook mail as outlook.mail item. Then we are going to define the Word app. So this will help you. So these two lines will help you. These two lines will help you to refer the Outlook, and this two line will help you to refer the Word document, which will help you to copy paste the range from Excel to Outlook. After defining this, what we are going to do is dim Word app as word.application, and below that we are going to define another variable as dim Word doc as word.document. After that we are going to define the sheet as well, which will be dim sheet as worksheet. So from which worksheet we are going to copy paste the data into our Outlook body. After doing this, what we are going to do is we are going to set those variables in our further code. So what we are going to do is we are going to first set the sheet, which will be set sheet equal to this workbook dot sheets and sheet name. So from which sheet you are going to copy the data and paste it in your Outlook body, that has to be given over here. Then we are going to set the Outlook application and a mail body. So to set that, what we are going to do is we are going to say set Outlook app. So as you can see, we have defined the application over here. So we are using that variable over here. So we are going to use set Outlook app equal to create object, and in the brackets and a double inverted comma we are going to type outlook.application over here. Once we did, in the very next line we are going to type set Outlook mail, which is this. So we are creating the mail item after referring the Outlook application, and so we are going to type set Outlook mail equal to Outlook app dot create item, and in the brackets we are going to type OL mail item. So we are referring this, we are going to create the mail item inside the Outlook application. So that's why we are referring this here, and then we are saying the application to create a mail item. So create a new mail over here. After that we are going to refer this over here and we are going to display it. So after displaying it, it will be having a blank or new email body. After that we are going to refer the sheet. So our sheet is this workbook dot sheet 1. So we are going to refer sheet 1 and we are going to activate that. After that, now over here you have to be cautious that once you have activated the sheet, now you have to go inside the sheet and you have to select the range. So say for an example, I have taken C1 to Q45 to select. So what I'm doing is I'm selecting the entire range from my sheet, which is here to here. So once I select the entire range, I will copy it, and then so once I have selected, I will type selection.copy. This will help me to copy the entire range from C1 to C45. You can change this as per your preference and the data or your Excel files which you are going to send via email. And after that we are going to set the Word doc over here. So we are going to set the Word doc, which is the Word document we have defined over here. And what we are going to do is set Word doc equal to Outlook mail. So which is this one dot get inspector dot word editor, and then we are going to type word dot range dot paste special. So this will paste your this will paste your data. Use the after copying it will use the paste special over here. Then what we are going to do, we are going to type pasted equal to outlook mail.html body. So we are going to paste this inside our outlook. Once we pasted, then we are going to use a with statement over here, which will help us to set the to CC, BC and BCC every parameter. So what we are going to do is we are going to use with outlook mail. So over here we have created the entire mail, and we are going to put the we are going to prepare the email sentences over here, the entire email. So to prepare that, we are going to type with outlook mail, and then what we are going to do is we are going to set dot 2 equals to over here inside the double inverted comma. If you are sending to a single person, then just give their email ID over here, or else if you are giving this to the or sending this email to the multiple people, then you have to separate it by a semicolon for each new people or the distribution which you send. Once you did, same goes with dot cc equals to and dot bcc as well. Over here I have given a space because to keep this visible in the tutorial. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set this subject for our outlook email which we are going to send from excel vba. So once we set this, so to set the subject, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot subject equals to, and in the double inverted comma we can give our subject to our, so the whatever subject which we are going to set for the outlook email, we can type over here. It can be lengthy as well. So let's say this is the subject, and I'm just going to set this as this is the email subject. Once I set this, this will appear in my subject. After that, so after this is the important part where we are going to see over here. These two lines will help you to set your email body. So what I'm going to type is dot html body equals to, and in the double inverted comma I'm going to say hi, and then this br, or you can say this thing is the line breaker. So this will break the line. So after hi, this will leave two completely two separate lines below, and then it will type how are you. You can change this as per your requirement, and then it will again give you the or leave another two lines after this, and then in the same way we are going to type .html body equals to .html body. So what we are going to do is we are going to refer this over here, and we are going to concatenate the pasted one which is over here, which we have created over here. So once you do that, your entire data will be appearing inside your outlook email, including your tables, range, as well as your chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to attach the workbook. So how we are going to do is we are going to type dot attachments dot add, and then we are going to type this workbook dot path. So we are going to give the path. Remember that we have to keep the Outlook automation file in the same path. So let's say this file is in, let's say, any of the path in any of the path. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the path, and inside the path we are going to concatenate the name of the Excel workbook. So we are going to type this workbook dot path, and we are going to concatenate the name of the path by inside the double inverted comma, which will be backward slash, and your name of your file. Once you do this, your file will be attached to your email. Then we are going to set the importance of the file, the priority of the email, sorry, not the file but the email. So we are going to type dot importance equals to oval importance high, which means this email will be sent as a high importance email to your senders or the receivers. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to use end with, because we have opened the with here, we are going to end the with here, and then we are going to type ends. Once we did, we are going to assign it to a macro button inside our worksheet, and then we are going to click it. Now let's run this code now to see the results. As you see, our code is running. This is our email subject. This is the email subject. This is the file which we have attached, and also this one has all the components, and over here you have to put your email signature. What you can do is you can set your signature first inside the email, and then so inside the email. So what I'm trying to say is, once you open a new email, your signature should appear automatically by you inside the message tab. And also this has the high importance marked as inside this email. After that, you have to send this by clicking the send button over here. Once you checked all the email body, and if you feel that this is good to go, then you can send it. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coda. For more such videos, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Have a great day.